you
Hey
gonna
guys,
upload?
Connor here. So let's go out in the garage.
What
really
about that
quick.
thing we're gonna upload today to my channel? What about that?
You ain't uploading to your channel on my computer.
All right.
Let's get upload to my channel.
But
So-
you're not using my computer for.
What we're gonna do today is
Let's upload something.
this little red pull. We never have pulled it before. No.
No.
I'm gonna help pull.
No, I'm gonna stand back, guys. Stand back.
Stand back.
Great.
I'm gonna help pull.
All right.
You
No,
broke
I'm
it.
pulling it up first. Yeah. Mason, move.
I'll sit here. Sound good?
I'm gonna help.
Not all the way. You can read it.
It won't go up all the way.
I can reach you if you want to.
No, just leave it.
Mason. Oh, and we also have a guest with us.
Who? Me?
Yeah.
What about me?
All right, guys.
Yeah.
So we did it.
She's not
Bye, guys. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. Check out
my channel.
Coral Cool Awakeners. Minecraft Roleplay some more. Bye.